Give it to Lindsay, Mia.
Guys, I already have one, so okay.
Okay, there we go.
Haley, you better love this. Can you see?
No.
Okay, guys, ready?
Wait, you have to let us see. See? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Yeah, you can do that when she shows it, okay?
Okay.
Move, so you have to move right away.
Chocolate! Yeah, chocolate with blueberries inside. Good job.
That's
This takes forever to chew, ask Lindsay.
Sorry to spit it out.
Cool. Yeah.
Tiffany, hurry. You have to do 3 good things and 2 bad things. What I kind of screwed me, I guess are like all of them bad. Was the olive good at least?
No! Cinnamon was good.
I'll give you a good one now. Next time, okay?
You get to do it for Lindsay.
Okay. Oh, great. Thanks, Haley. Thanks.
Welcome.
Well, you have to do at
You
least
like
2
the
good things,
sprinkles,
okay?
didn't you? Oh my god. What else?
I thought you'd like that. That's why I got it for you.
Oh.
You
I
love
like it.
this.
Fake.
Tiffany, you have to let it see.
She would like that.
That's something you would. Okay, watch out. Hurry. Put it back in your mouth.
You can see it.
You can see, Haley. Can you see?
Hey, you guys, look.
Haley, can you see?
No, it's blue. And dog food.
No.
Just put it in your dang mouth and chew it up. Ooh, deer jerky.
Yeah.
It's not deer jerky. It's a deer stick.
Well, you can just keep eating that. You have 3 more things to. And you have to give at least 2
I still
bad
have the
things.
cocoa stuff in my mouth.
Haley, go.
You might go off quick, but I'm chilling.
No, it's just a second, Dad. Mia has to give me show.
Yeah, I still have to do her.
So you just hurry up really quick again. So Mia can do me. So you ready? Ready? Yeah.
Oh, pickle! Yeah, yummy pickle. Here.
Someone wants to chat, Dad. Ignore.
Hey, give it some out. 2 more things. A bad thing, no, and a good thing. I've done 3 good things. What
You
was
have to
good?
hurry.
Lindsay! Cindy, hurry!
Hurry.
Lindsay, Cindy, do this.
Man, I don't know anything about it.
Sit.
No, not that.
You have to see it first.
Okay, if it's in dog food or
It's
treats,
not.
I'm not going to take
It's not.
If it is, I'm just gonna.
No, it's just not. It's really good. Open.
I never gave you dog food.
Okay, can you one
She
more
gave
thing?
me dog food.
Can you hurry?
Why did you do that one?
No, that's not what I was pointing to.
Well, it's the same thing.
You should have had that. You have to hurry.
I'm trying.
Right there. Right there. Over.
Oh yeah. That's what I like. It's good. It's delicious.
Here, let me see if I can show it.
It's a lot.
Wait. Wait here. Wait. Move. Wait, not yet. Okay.
It smells really good.
Okay. Hurry, can you move?
More.
No. You're
What
gonna
is it?
die.
One side.
Really?
You like spit it out.
Okay.
You got it all over my hand.
Thanks for watching.
You spit it out.